That's how you do it, boy. Just be careful here. I don't have any deodorants right now, but I don't smell. Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Oh. So, May 31st, the second day of summer from galing sa yung last day of school nila. So, andito kami sa isang park sa Winston-Salem. First time namin makapunta. Washington Park yung pangalan. Naghanap kasi kami ng basketball court para makapaglaro-laro. Kasi si TJ meron siyang basketball shoes, hindi niya nagagamit. So, naghanap kami ng basketball court. Hi. So, yes, kasi bihira lang yan. Yeah. You're what?
I'm not.
You're not excited? Why? Yeah, kasi guys, wala kasi masyadong park dito sa sa North Carolina or dito malapit sa amin sa Winston-Salem. Wala masyadong, mayroong mga park pero walang mga basketball court na outdoor. Ang marami sa kanila dito ay tennis court at saka pickleball court. So wala masyadong basketball court. Doon di gaya tulad doon sa Florida. Merong tennis court, merong pickleball court, merong basketball court palagi sa labas. Magsasawa ka doon, magano ka lang. Pipili ka lang kung saan yung preferred mo na lugar, kung saan ka maglalaro ng basketball. Pero dito, yeah, mga ilang na kami nung isang buwan pa kami naghahanap kung saan kami makapaglaro ng basketball. Tapos ito lang yung nagpakita dito. Medyo sira-sira pa yung court nila. Hindi masyado maraming basketball court dito. Yeah, so ito si Chelsea, magbabike lang daw siya dito. Yeah, here. So may trail dito guys. No way. Kami dito sa park na to, baseball park. Yan ang isa din sa mga baseball park. Then merong malaki dito. Yeah, you know how to skate?
I was using her bike, but she was roller skating.
Oh.
You have to be careful. After I have to try it for just
for a bit?
seconds because her toe hurts.
Oh. Yeah, so ito guys, merong trail dito. Punta doon. Meron din trail dito. Yeah, nakita ko lang kasi sa Google Map. Tapos merong access doon sa main highway na doon sa Peters Creek. Tapos may mga dyan, may mga tindahan, may mga Walmart, may access dyan, pwedeng lakarin, pwedeng magbike. So ito yan guys, yung finally nakahanap kami ng isang basketball court pero mukhang sisirain na yung niya. Yung ring niya, nakababa na yung ring niya. Oh. Then merong mga dyan, may mga bars. Yung para siyang outdoor gym. Mini outdoor gym. Susot-suot niya yung bago niya sapatos. Pangalawang beses niya palang masusuot yung bagong sapatos niya. Jason Tatum! What the hell?
Wait, what are yours?
That's Kobe's. Adidas. Yeah, he was with Adidas for a while. Then before he became, or he signed a contract with Nike.
Oh,
Yeah. But there was one time that he wore Jordans too. That was like the one thing I know he wore Jordans was the very last All-Star game where Jordan was on that game.
oh really?
Yeah. Yung ring niya nakababa. Siguro may mga naglalaro dito mga mga item tapos yan dinadakdakan. Kasi nakababa na lang yung nakababa na yung ring niya. Pero nga sa mark. Maliit lang siya na court. Yeah, parang saktong mapaglaruan lang. Ayan. Yeah, you go down there, Leo. Go around, then come here, then come back. Yeah. Whoa, that was a pretty good shot. Guess you're still young. There you go. As long as you hit the ring. Tara nga. Ito nga si Chelsea, bago lang to natutong magbike na walang balance. I can teach you how to do layups. Tara nga. Yeah, maybe I can teach you.
I remember.
Tara nga. Not like that. Not even close.
That's what.
Deodorant. I don't have any deodorants right now, but I don't smell.
I like.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Oh. I thought you were a baller, boy.
Not at this.
Yeah, some ballers they play shirtless. Yeah, guys, mas maigi na rin tong nasa sa init sila kaysa sa dun tumatambay sila sa bahay na ano na nagga-gadget lang dun sa loob ng bahay. Yes, mabuti pa to, magiging healthy, bro. Look at him. That's a healthy skinny guy.
What did I do?
When I do practice shooting, you practice shooting in like closer, like this. Then slowly you're going farther. Oh shit. You can do this like 10 straight without missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15 minutes.
It's melting.
We're done here. And we had a good exercise. Not again. Guys, after this,
I can't see.
I don't know, it's dark. Oh, smell good.
Yeah.
What kind is that?
Striker swag.
Striker swag. Pawis na guys, so hindi na kailangan punta. Tired.
Or like a kickball.
Kickball. Yeah, that's a fun one.
Yeah.
I get dropped off at home.
Yeah.
Pickup game. Yeah, pickup game.
Okay, that was our day, guys. That was the day, guys. In the basketball court, the only basketball court that we see here in the city. Yeah, so Winston-Salem from Tooch. Yeah, so kaisa-isang basketball court na nakita namin dito. Kasi kadalasan dito mga indoor, meron mga indoor pero magbabayad ka. Yung alam ko yung YMCA at saka yung basketball court na academy ni Chris Paul Academy, CP3 Academy. Pero kailangan mo magbayad doon, membership or monthly na parang yung parang magsa-sign up ka para mag-ano doon, basketball clinic para mga ganun. So ito, hindi na rin masama. It's not that bad, right? Yeah. It's not that bad of a
It's not
park.
like ingrown.
Yeah, we're just like shooting around. Yeah, hindi na rin masama pero yeah, saka maganda rin yung ano. Maganda yung ambience niya dito, guys, kasi ano, open, tahimik, at second meron mga ano doon. Sa likod merong mga trail, mahaba yan, paikot. Tapos meron din dito, paikot din. Then meron pang isang baseball. So that's it for the day. We come back here later or next time. Huh? Oh, well, don't worry. I know what you're thinking. Let's play soccer in that school. Yeah. Tito Pepeng said it's an open field. Maybe this afternoon. Dito na lang, guys. Andyan yung Winston-Salem, downtown Winston-Salem. Dyan lang, malapit lang dito. Pero kami dito kami sa south ng Winston-Salem nakatira. Parang medyo out. Winston-Salem pa rin, pero medyo out na siya sa mismong downtown. Malayo sa downtown. So, okay, so hanggang dito na lang. And say bye.
Bye. Peace. Yo.
Tryna stay right next to you, but me, you know I'm feeling you. Hoping that she's into me.